Hi, this is the Home River Group. I am out here at 300 Northeastern. This is a split level home with 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs. We're going to start with the upstairs. This home has been newly refurbished with all new flooring. Just up the stairs we have our family room. There's a family room upstairs and downstairs. This one upstairs is a pretty good size. The one downstairs is just a little bit larger. And then we will go ahead and start off here in the kitchen. First we have our dining area. Right there with that nice big open window. And coming in, we have our kitchen with all wood cabinetry. Okay, and leaving the kitchen, we'll go ahead and take a left down this hall. Just off to the left here, we do have our washer and dryer hookups. And then we have our first bathroom here on the right. And this bathroom has a bathtub. Okay. There is a linen closet right here as well, just across from the laundry room. Okay, and then going back down the hall, we have another little closet here in the hallway. There's actually 2 of these. So the linen closet, that one is just a coat closet there. Okay. And then coming off to the right here at the end of the hall, we have our first bedroom that we're going to look at today. This bedroom, it's a nice closet. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at our second bedroom. This bedroom has 2 closets. Both of these closets are the same size as the closet in that first bedroom. And that is the upstairs. So we're going to go ahead and head down. And coming down the stairs, we'll start by going into the bedrooms. We have our third bedroom that we'll look at today. And then we will take a look at that fourth bedroom. This fourth bedroom also has 2 closets in it. Okay. And just between these 2 bedrooms, there is another closet here for just a little more storage space. And then coming off to the right here, we have our second bathroom. This bathroom is a little bit bigger than the one upstairs, and it has a shower rather than a bathtub. And This closet here has the water heater in it. Okay, and coming out of the bathroom, we do have another closet just off to the left here. This one is a full crawl space. You can actually go back there and there's a little more storage space for under those stairs. Okay, and then we have our second family room in this home. Okay. Nice big open family area. And then the last thing that we'll look at today is the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Plenty of storage space, some workbenches, that sort of thing. So again, I am at 300 Northeastern, and this property is in Rigby. This is the Home River Group. Thanks for watching.